Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my video. This is Sanubri Kapil. As you have seen that I have told you about how to book an IELTS exam online in my previous video. So this video is in continuation of that video. In this video I'm going to tell you that how you can make the payment for IELTS exam offline. In my previous video, I have selected the offline payment method. You can also pay by online using your credit card. I have selected the offline payment method, and in this video I am going to tell you that how can you make your payment offline using your application of online banking of your bank. So I'll use UBL banking app. So let's go. This is the interface. First of all, we need to go towards the payments, then we'll go towards pay to anyone, then add new pay and add UBL other bank transfer. We'll select other. There are multiple options given over there, but we'll select number 4, other bank account. And in this interface you're supposed to enter the bank name, and the bank name is Standard Chartered. You can search it over there. Standard SCB, Standard Chartered Bank. We'll select it and then we'll review it. Okay, please enter the account number. Now in this interface, account number, you are supposed to enter your registration ID that have provided to you after fulfilling your online booking. So there is a method to enter your account number. First of all, you need to write 55666 4 times 6 and 2 times 5, and then you are supposed to enter your registration ID last 10 digits. That is, I'll enter my registration ID that I have booked in my previous video. So my registration ID is 010. There might be an alphabet after that and you need to omit that alphabet. Write only last 10 digits. 010 58 63514. This was my registration ID, and after that I'll enter review, and you can see that it's automatically searched, and the account nickname is British Council. It means the information that I have provided is correct, and it is also confirming that your payment is going to the right place. And after that you will they'll ask you few more questions like what is the relationship of you with the payee. So you can select any of the other. We're not family, friend, business, work, other, or self. So we'll select other, right? Enter the payee email, and if you don't need to enter the payee email, you don't know, if you know the British Council email address, you can enter it over there, but it doesn't really needs to do that. All you just need to do is add, and they will provide you an OTP on my phone number. So right now I'm waiting for the OTP. Yes, the OTP is arrived. My OTP is 327052. 327052. 327052. Yes, it is successfully entered, and click OK, and you can see the interface in which all the information is already written. And now all you need to do is just enter the amount, that is 37,900, right? And in comment you enter yes, and send email to the beneficiary, and enter the email address of the British Council. I don't know, so I'm not clicking it. And after that you can just click on the review. Okay, I haven't entered the purpose, so it is giving me an alert. Just select the purpose. Purpose is other, for educational purpose, and you can enter review. Okay, balance is less than. So right now I'm not clicking it to the OK because I have a lesser balance in my account, so I cannot make the booking right now. But it's just the final step. All you just need to do is click on the review and click OK, and your payment would be forwarded to the British Council. And after doing this offline payment, you will receive a confirmation from the IELTS British Council on your email address that you have entered during the booking of your IELTS exam. So this is just, it was just simple as it looks like. So it is extremely safe method, and I have used it during the booking of my IELTS exam, and I recommend you to do that by following these simple steps. I hope you understand, and if you don't understand anything, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you so much.